Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write a song in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, you can't really write a song in Bandlab in regards to the lyrics. However, you can make a beat, you can make a melody, and of course, you can make a voice recording of your singing or whatever it is you're doing, rapping, poetry, whatever it is. And you can very easily do that with the tools at your disposal on Bandlab, and I'll just be showing you a couple of things which you can do. Now, to do anything in Bandlab, you do need to make tracks. As you can see, I already have a voice and audio track, which has been created in Bandlab. I can also add a virtual instrument tab or track. I can make a drum machine track. I can make a sampler track, guitar track, whatever it is. I can even make bass, and for example, let's just make all of them. Now, whenever you click on one of these, you can very easily just create something in here. Now, for example, for voice or audio, you can very easily just record your voice. For example, if I start recording here, if I keep talking and for example, like here, you don't hear the audio since I do have my desktop audio muted in my software, but the drum machine is playing and the voice has been recorded. As you can see, the voice lines are very, very quiet, but they are still there regardless. Now you can do that, and you can record an instrument even. I am not sure how to get there from here, but you can go to instrument, for example, here. As you can see, all your tools will be at the bottom here at your disposal. And if I start recording, for example, like this, and there is my voice in the background, and I can just go ahead and click through these. As you can see, you have virtual instruments, which are very useful. And as you can see here, you can see the actual audio. Now you can quantize this, you can add whatever you want. You can also add the guitar, as you can see here. You can also add the bass as well. I'm pretty sure you do not have a virtual option for this. You do need to make a virtual instrument tab for this, but pretty much you can just create a track for whatever you want to add, and then you can record by pressing this red record button, and then you can stop clicking the stop or square button. You can also turn on the metronome if you wish. You can change the BPM of a song. You can change the volume, etc., etc. There is a lot of options at your disposal. But yeah, that is pretty much the basics of using Bandlab. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.